$550 is how much I lost today day trading. Let me show you what happened. Let's go. Okay folks, before I start, here's a proof of me losing $550. It was a roller coaster day. This is all the trade that I took today. I came back from far away, everybody, because I lost actually $5,300 today. And then thanks to just believing in the process and keep trading, I came back, right? So, all right, let me show you first what happened and what caused actually this big loss here. Today was not a really good day. That was a roller coaster day. But the thing that threw me off is first thing first in the morning, I don't know if you can see here, but I got a message from my broker, right? Saying, so I tried to, that was a clean trade, a beautiful trade, all those contracts I started to load in here. But I got this message saying rejected. Your limit is significantly higher or lower than the last traded price. Confirm you are trading the correct symbol. I've been a trader for myself for the past 4+ years now, and I've been trading SPX for 2 years straight, legit nothing else. So I never had this message before. So I called them and they were like, basically what happened is your limit price is so far out of the actual price that your contract won't get filled. I'm like, well, usually if I don't get filled, that I'm left hanging, right? And I don't get filled, I don't get a rejected message right away. So long story short, that was very, very annoying. And because of that, my frustration after that, I maybe forced a trade, but I shouldn't have, and I lost $5,300. Anyway, that's just all my fault, but except that thing here, I've never seen that before. So what happened was, let's take a look actually at that trade here. That trade was actually, let's go here. All right. So that trade, that gap actually was a little bit bigger. I just readjusted it, but the one I was trying to get in was actually here. As I'm trying to log in, load up, excuse me, my contract, it doesn't feed me and I get that rejection message, right? Which I've never seen before. And then what happened was all those contracts were about like $17, $16, etc. Right? Let me just show you, because right, $17, $18, all that stuff, and they were all up between $23 and $26. And I'm so mad about this because I would have been done with my day at legit 7 or 5 a.m. like 2-3 minutes after that entry here. Anyway, it is what it is. Then let's go into the charts again. So I just readjusted this here. Let me just remove it now. All right, okay. And we didn't fill the gap all the way, by the way. We just filled it a little bit. But that was the main trade that I missed. So now let's go into the chart today. Screenshot over here. After that trade that didn't work out, actually, I just started a long over here because we reversed right away. Over here, I'm at $120. That's this trade here. All right, 120. Oops, you don't see. Let me just show you here. All right, there you go. $120. Okay, that was my first trade for the day. Then this is the big loss, and that's a huge loss, my friend. So this is SPX on the 5 minutes. Okay. So once again, that was the trade that I missed over here. Okay. Then that was the $120 around here, and then my friend, I saw a quick rejection happening here, right? And I thought I will eventually enter and get a rejection big time, and we did not. So I entered, I started to load my contract like I always do, right? And then suddenly we go my way, so I'm happy. We retraced it a bit. I don't care. I'm okay with it, but I'm watching, and then suddenly out of nowhere, boom. This thing happened, and I had, I think, 12 or 18 contracts. Oh my God, my friends. From $18 a contract to 14, I mean, you basically missing like, making me a haul of $5,350, $5,360 exactly, okay? So that was really bad, so I decided to cut all of them straight here, obviously. And then that's it for that trade here. Now, next trade, that was nice. That's back to the 15 minute now, excuse me. So after this one here, I started to draw some trend line here, and then I see that we went lower and tried to break the 9, but we didn't succeed. And I was like, you know what? I think we're gonna bounce it back up then. So I started to enter a little bit heavier, and then boom, that happened. I was super happy, and that's why I made $3,290. Okay. Next trade over here. that was beautiful as well. I didn't have that many contracts here. I have, I think, 3 or 4 only, but I cut, obviously, that's my edge right here in front of you. I see that we have a support trend line. I see that we have the 90 MA. I see that the MACD is about to go lower. I mean, this is my edge right here, pure simple. So I entered a few contracts and I made $840 on this one. Over here, you can see. And then the last one is this one here. Once again, that's the one that I just did earlier. And then the last one here, I made a few hundred, I think, not much at all, but just like in and out real quick. I think that was for let me see, $430, I believe. That was the last one. Okay. That's it, my friend. That was a roller coaster day. Like I said, being in a hole, I was in a hole at about 5,500, I think, at first. And I took few trades. The small one I didn't show you just because they were fat fingered. So the $90 here, the $40 here. I think I had another one here where I was at 5,500 down, but then I came back at 5,360. And then, I made 120, 840, 90, 40, 3,300, let's say. And then $90 all come down to being down today with $550. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry it was a long video, but yeah, that's basically what happened. Frustration a little bit, but it is what it is. Red for the day. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.